Dear all, let's discuss about Reliance share. A quick analysis on buy, sell or hold decision. Let's go through some news. SEBI imposes rupees 40 crore fine on Reliance Industry Mukesh Ambani for manipulating trades in RPL. What happened here? The Security Exchange Board of India on Friday imposed a fine of rupees 25 crore on Reliance Industry and rupees 15 crore on its chairman Mukesh Ambani for manipulating the shares of Reliance Petroleum Limited, right? I repeat, the Reliance Petroleum Limited in November 2007. The issue relates to manipulating of shares during the sales and purchase of the Petroleum Limited shares in cash and the future segment in November 2007. Right. This followed Reliance Industries' decision in March 2007 to sell 4.1% stake in RPL. So, what do you infer from this? Right. So basically, SEBI has found out that there had been manipulative trades which have happened, which is against the rules, which is unfair, and hence it has fined cumulatively 40 crore fine on Reliance Industries. What would be the effect of it on our trades? Right. So if you see many articles, right, though, I mean, even I think personally, after, I mean, I'm going to show you the chart on the same. I feel that there would not be much of a difference going to happen to the Reliance shares on Monday, or after that, right? So, like, even if you see in economics time, what it says is, so what does SEBI order actually mean to RIL, right? Reliance Industries as well as Mukesh Ambani. The market cap of Reliance at that time was less than 50,000 crores, and now when you are coming out with an injection in this, market cap is around 15 lakh crore. So it will be standard news which will be digested and market will move on with the bullish movement, right? But it highlights during the period that derivative market froze and there was huge loss for the traders in that segment because of the markets were not that much regulated. Like we saw in the news, basically that time when Reliance had this, I mean, it might not be necessarily a manipulative practice which happened, right? But there was not very strict rules at that time. The SEBI came up with a lot of improvements in the rules and regulations, so that nowadays any such kind of a practice nowadays is considered as manipulative practice or illegal, right? I don't think that should be a problem now, and market should easily digest it up. Where is 50,000 crores market cap and 15 lakh crore cap, right? So ideally the stock should not be affected. Anyway, let us come to the chart. If you see the chart here, I have drawn two red lines here and two green lines here, if you see, right? So even if in case, right, so market is, market, I expect tomorrow's market is going to be volatile, and I don't think that there would be much of a fall from Reliance perspective tomorrow, right? If you see here, there is one resistance which has been built up around 1840 rupees. I mean, this is the same resistance which was created way back in July 16th time, and again it got created. The same resistance is maintained in around November 3rd, right? And again it was tested on 21st December once. So this, for me, this seems like a very good resistance. Even if the share falls, it should not go down below this level of 1840 rupees, right? So what if it falls below that? I strongly believe that it should not go below 1840 rupees. There is no need to panic and no need to sell the shares of Reliance, as you know the value of that company, and there's like a lot of deals pending, like future deal is on the verge of completion. So you might get benefited if you hold this share than selling it, right? So I don't see much of a correction which is going to happen. But if you see an interesting thing here, whenever there is one more resistance which is a small resistance at 1896 rupees. If you see here, every time the script tested it here, it is happening from November 20th. Whenever the script tested this level, it continuously went up, almost like a very good bullish ride, right? Again it got tested in the same resistance was tested in 22nd December 2020, and it went for a bull ride. So what I expect now is tomorrow either, like, like it might go a little bit, 50-60 points down, or like 100 points down, but definitely not below 1840 rupees. This is what is my prediction. Just to sum it up, guys, after all this news, there should not be any effect on the Reliance share. Even if it falls down, or due to the market correction or whatever it is, it should not go below 1840 rupees. But anyway, it has high chances that it will be oscillating in this range of 2000 and 1950 rupees. This is my prediction. You guys can take the call accordingly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.